The plot of land was a stubborn, beautiful thing, a steep slice of coastal bushland that plunged down towards the shimmering expanse of the Hacking River. For a lesser architect, its severe slope and craggy sandstone outcrops might have been an obstacle, but for Josephine Hurley Architecture, they became the very genesis of the Kingfisher House. It wasn't about imposing a structure upon the landscape, it was about coaxing a home from it. The primary orientation, a magnificent northeast face, dictated a design that would rise with the terrain, welcoming the soft morning light and the expansive views over the water, ensuring every room felt connected to that breathtaking vista. The initial vision was one of symbiosis. The house needed to be a quiet observer in its environment, not a loud intruder. This mandate led to a meticulous selection of a material palette rooted in the earth. The structure settled into its foundation with the comforting gravity of natural stone and timber. The choice was deliberate, to create a feeling that was both warm and timeless, a place that would age with grace, its surfaces developing a rich patina that mirrored the bark and stone of the surrounding native bushland. This was a house designed to feel like it had always belonged, an organic extension of the hill itself. A profound respect for the existing natural features drove the construction process. The magnificent sandstone outcrops, geological monuments formed over millennia, were not blasted away, they were incorporated. Likewise, mature trees and native vegetation were protected, dictating the precise placement of walls and decks. This careful navigation blurred the traditional line between the built environment and the natural one. Large expanses of glass and carefully positioned openings created pockets where the interior seemed to dissolve into the bush, allowing occupants to feel the cooling breath of the trees and the presence of the native habitat from within their living spaces. This deep connection to nature was inextricably linked to the house's sustainable heart. The Kingfisher House was conceived as a dwelling that would tread lightly on the planet. Instead of a demanding reliance on mechanical cooling, the design employed sophisticated passive strategies. The house breathes naturally, utilizing stack-effect ventilation to draw cool air in and allow warm air to escape through upper vents. This is complemented by a clever, ventilated roof system that drastically reduces solar heat gain, ensuring comfortable temperatures without the constant drone of air conditioning. Water management formed another critical pillar of its sustainable design. A large, unobtrusive rainwater tank was integrated into the site, dedicated to harvesting every drop of precipitation. This collected water is then reused throughout the home for non-potable needs, closing the loop on a precious resource. Furthermore, a beautiful narrative of resourcefulness runs through the house in the form of recycled blackbutt timber, which is showcased as a feature material, its rich grain and history adding a layer of texture and character that no new timber could match. The result is a testament to the idea that quality and conscience can coexist beautifully. The Kingfisher House is more than just a place to live, it is a high-quality, site-specific work of architecture built with an eye toward posterity. Its robust materials and considered design were engineered to withstand the rigors of the coastal environment and the simple test of time. It embodies a commitment that stretches beyond the current owner, promising a durable sanctuary. Ultimately, the goal of Josephine Hurley Architecture was fulfilled, to create a home that is inextricably linked to its place, a sanctuary built not just for the now, but for future generations to inhabit and cherish. It stands on the slope as a quiet, warm sentinel, a house that whispers of the river, the sandstone, and the enduring beauty of the Australian bushland, inviting all who cross its threshold to slow down and truly connect with the world outside their door.